What's the meaning of copter? Copter. Copter.
Copter. Copter. Copter is a shortened form of helicopter, which refers to a type of aircraft that is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, as well as hovering in place. Helicopters are typically powered by one or more rotors, which provide lift and propulsion. They are commonly used for search and rescue, medical transport, military operations, and aerial photography. Due to their unique capabilities, helicopters have become an important tool for a wide variety of applications, from firefighting to offshore oil exploration.